6 visitors in the house. Mega love shout out. Petra Kulasa. Tatawa ko talaga kay Petra Kulasa. Dito naman kayo sa ano, dito ko naman kayo idadaan sa kanal. Kasi nung isang araw, dinaan ko kayo sa train station. Ay, labanuan yung kamay ko pala yun.
Estamos en la misma chamba en Argenta 4 y se para la chamba desde las 3 de la mañana.
Ay, ano yung ano ko. Sorry guys, I cannot see well your comments or your chats. And I am sorry if our video is jumping like jumping rope. I always forgot my selfie stick, guys. 6 visitors in the house. Sislo, salamat. Sana nga hindi na lobat si Friendly kasi nakasaksak yun eh. Nakadextrose na iniwan ko dun sa bahay. May ano naman siya, may data. So, okay lang yun. Magano na kasi mag-expire na yung data niya bukas. Kaya iniwan ko na lang doon. Is it cold there? No, we are 18 degrees, Sisi Ari. We are 18 degrees. It's okay. I only have my long, you see. I don't have jacket yet. It's perfect. The temperature is perfect. So you see guys, this is cycling lane. So this brown, that green is the cycling lane and this brown is for walking. Ayan. Parang esplanade. Parang sa no, esplanade sa Pasig River. It's nice to walk here guys because it's very tranquil. Better than in the streets. I am glad you are going to the Philippines again, Brodel. How many weeks or days you are staying there in the Philippines, Brodel? It's good you have your own house there to stay. And you are going to celebrate Christmas and New Year there in the Philippines. It's nice. Hindi ko makita yung mga chats. Like 7, mahal kita sisi ko. Mahal din kita sisi ko, Ari. Ayan. Please take care. How is our darling bulo? I hope he's okay. Ayan. Dami talagang dumadaan dito guys. Kasi it's very tranquil to walk here. Ayan. I know. Ayaw nila akong padaanin. We're gonna be staying for 2 months. Wow, that's great, Brodel. 2 months is great. Thank you. Bulo is okay. I'm glad it's okay. So it's tranquil to walk here, guys, along the canal. 7 visitors in the house. My love shout out. Greetings from Spain. Thank you, Bulo is okay. So we have visitors from the UK, from Italy, from Saudi Arabia, from Germany, from Nang Lutz is from United Arab Emirates.